Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new into this channel, my name is Sonia. Into this channel I talk about hair, beauty and lifestyle videos sometimes. So guys, I got my beautiful model right here today, and I've done a two-strand twist and with a cornrow on the side. So it's a two-strand twist with Marley hair with a cornrow on the side. So guys, if you like to see how I've achieved this hairstyle, kindly stay tuned and keep on watching. And remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what you waiting for, guys? Kindly subscribe. Make sure you press the notification bell. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I've sectioned the section I will be putting on the cornrow outside, and the remaining section will be in two-strand twist. So guys, I'm starting the hairstyle, so keep on watching. Guys, this is the Marley hair I'll be using into this video, and this is my first time using this particular brand. So the hair was not bad. It's quite soft and I did like it. So guys, and I'll also be using less jam to hold and also condition her hair. So the reason why I did this short length is we want to achieve the effect of dreadlocks, like, you know, the length. We wanted something that she doesn't have to pack, and also that is not gonna really disturb her around the neck. So it's kind of like the illusion of creating like a dreadlock. So guys, I will be starting a cornrow now. I'm sure you can see how I'm taking it and I'm weaving in. I decide to use a little bit of the Kiki hair extension for the hair to last more longer. And this hair I'm adding is just optional. If you want, you can just cornrow with your own hair without the extensions. Okay guys, the finishing part now, what I've just done behind camera, I just curled the tip and putting it into hot water. So I use thread to I don't know how to explain it. I think I will have to do another video to show you guys how I did the tip. I use a thread to hold the tip and put it in the hot water to curl the hands. So okay guys, this is the end of my hairstyle. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Please comment down below, let me know your thoughts, your thoughts, Your comment will help me to know which type of content you want me to create next time on my channel. So guys, if you like this hair, or maybe you pick 1 or 2 tips on this hairstyle, please share, like, remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember also to press the notification bell. I'll see you on my next video. You might as well want to click my next video, guys. Click the next video, and I love you. Stay blessed. Bye for now.